Hi internet friends, in today's video we show you how the Nissan 1.5-litre VC turbo engine is made, and talk about how this all-new engine performs in the Nissan Rogue. So sit back and chill for 5, stay with us until the end to learn more. If you like our video, don't forget to give us the thumbs up. Nissan only released a completely new third-generation Rogue crossover a year ago, but with its sophomore year comes another significant change. While the Rogue had a fresh look and a greatly upgraded interior, it mostly carried over the previous generation's mediocre powertrain. With a new turbocharged 1.5-litre variable compression (VCT) 3-cylinder engine and continuously variable transmission for the 2022 model year, the oversight has been at least partially rectified. The new 1.5-litre engine will appear in the Chinese market Rogue, dubbed the X-Trail. This engine is 3/4 the size of the equivalent 2-litre 4-cylinder VCT that debuted in 2019 and is now available in the Altima and Infiniti QX50, albeit it has gotten some detail modifications to increase efficiency. The system that can alter the compression ratio of the engine from 8:1 to as high as 14:1 depending on the engine load is the primary differentiator for this new engine, just as its 4-cylinder sister. Under hard acceleration, when the turbocharger is providing maximum boost, the pistons in the cylinders are pulled down to reduce the compression ratio. When the accelerator is depressed, they rise, thereby decreasing the capacity of the combustion chamber. Under all conditions, the pressure in the cylinders is kept at the optimal level for torque production and fuel efficiency. Reduced engine vibration and internal friction are also advantages of the method. The crankshaft is normally aligned with the middle of the cylinders. It is slightly offset in the VCT engines, minimizing side loading on the pistons. The new engine also has a stepless variable displacement oil pump and textured valve lifters for increased oil retention and reduced friction. In comparison to the non-turbocharged 2.5-litre four-cylinder in the 2021 Rogue, the new 1.5-litre VCT produces 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque, up from 181 horsepower and pound-feet. Like many smaller turbocharged engines, the peak torque now occurs over a considerably larger speed range, improving drivability and responsiveness, particularly in stop-and-go driving. The engine, like most Nissans from the last decade, is linked with a CVT, but this one is new with a 17% wider ratio spread and a 32% reduction in internal friction. The greater ratio spread allows the engine to cruise at lower RPM, which improves fuel economy. The EPA estimates that the 2017 Rogue's combined efficiency improved by 10%, from 30 miles per gallon to 33 miles per gallon for front-wheel drive models. The fuel economy of all-wheel drive models increases by 14%, from 28 to 32 miles per gallon. If you're round and about on YouTube tomorrow, don't forget to join us. Ta-ra for now.